I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by isolating the file. That reduces variables. First, verify the extension. Word won't open a mismatched format. Once done, copy the file to your desktop and attempt to open it from File Explorer so network problems are excluded. Make sure Word and Windows have recent updates. Apps sometimes stop reading newer XML structures when outdated. If Word prompts for conversion or repair, accept it. This is often the easiest, immediate fix and prevents you from skipping a key recovery step. Next, use Word's built-in recovery. Go to File Open, select the file, click the arrow next to Open and choose Open and Repair. This attempts automatic fixes. If that fails, start Word in safe mode by holding Control while launching. This isolates add-ins that can block opening. Then make sure to disable any add-in you suspect via File, Options, Add-ins, and Manage. Once you disable them, restart Word normally. If the document opens, re-enable add-ins one at a time to find the culprit. For stubborn files, try alternate apps, upload to Google Docs or open in LibreOffice. They use different import engines and often salvage content. Alternatively, in Word, choose Open Recover Text from any file to extract raw text when formatting is lost. Make sure to work on a copy so the original stays intact and save backups as you go. If nothing works, rename the file extension to zip and inspect media. And finally, if errors persist, one key tip: run chkdsk on the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.